You know what today is? Today is the lot day. We are hitting the lots. We are about to go meet up with the homie TK over at the racetrack and get some grab up in this. I'm not gonna lie, bro. There might be a lot of wind noise, and I'm very sorry if there is. Some drinks, some food, you know what it is, and you know, hit the lot. I am hungover as fuck, and I have not eaten, and it's like 3, and I have a late start. I had a not a wild night, but a pretty interesting night, so to speak. Had some little bit of fun with the girls and whatnot. It was pretty interesting. Yeah, I'll leave it at that. It was a very interesting night. So yeah, where is Senor TK? Is he somewhere here? I do not see him yet. Did I make it before him? What? No way. No way. I am fucking retarded. I thought this was a racetrack. Alright, let me go get some snackies and stuff. There we go. We got some grubbing. Some grubby grub. Take the water out for right now. Zip, 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 zip.
Hey, brother, you can't park there, huh?
What?
Yeah, you're gonna have to get this shit and get out of here, man.
Fuck.
I don't want to ride the Dyna in this area, okay?
Cause you know I got to do it. I have to do it. I got to. Exactly. Take this motherfucker right here. Slap that bitch on there. Alright. I ain't gonna lie, that sticker's probably gonna fall right the fuck off, but who gives a shit? That or they'll fucking take it off. Something. Alright. Let's get going. Oh, this is TK. He is a sales guy at Black Gold Harley Davidson. As y'all know, I'm back there. You know, because I'm a fucking idiot. TK is gonna come stunt with us. Starting to get into it. I need to get the thing to where like they can actually hear you, but this is introduction. He's got a 03 Dyna Super Glide. Looks a little bit prettier than mine, but you know what?
life is more than make your own curriculum. Studying the industry, I know you see me killing them. Nice, it felt so real, I had some moments I was living them. Celebrity, civilian, walk amongst the greats that you ignore. The ones relentlessly pursuing every key to every door. It's evergreen and evermore if you're content with living normally. I'm handing in my notice to the world on record formally. I know this life is right for me. I know the future's bright for me. I know my teachers lied to me. I do it for the ones that came before and nearly died for me. Recognition, I'm on a mission. I'm paying dues, I'm in position. I'm staying up, it's getting late. You're doing good, I'm doing great. Recognition, I'm on a mission. I'm paying dues, I'm in position. I'm staying up, it's getting late. You're doing good, I'm doing great. I had to let you go so I could grow and move. When time is of the essence, then it show and prove. I had to leave to see what I could do alone. And when I get the money, then I'm coming home. I had to let you go so I could grow and move. When time is of the essence, then it show and prove. I had to leave to see what I could do alone. And when I get the money, then I'm coming home. Recognition, I'm on a mission. I'm paying dues, I'm in position. I'm staying up, it's getting late. You're doing good, I'm doing great. Recognition, I'm on a mission. I'm paying dues, I'm in position. I'm staying up, it's getting late. You're doing good, I'm doing great.
The best place to do it is, listen, if you go over there on the corner out of the way,
Yeah.
there'll be people coming and going, and you can do a couple burnouts over there and get a good content.
Yeah.
I'll try to get them to go over there real quick with you. Go. Y'all want to go? Get in the middle.
That's what I'm saying. I'm gonna get in the middle and then y'all two just go around.
Okay, yeah. Gotta put through right there with a black marker. Find the middle.
Okay, yeah, and then y'all two just go around. Alright, well, that was super fun. After going back after, I think it's been a week, almost 2 weeks. TK had a lot of fun. I had a lot of fun. Swami had a lot of fun. Kevin had a lot of fun. Everybody had a lot of fun. And we found some issues with the bike that we need to go ahead and put more lev into, so we're gonna go ahead and do that. All right, I hope y'all enjoyed this video. If you're new, please leave a like, a comment, and please subscribe if you're interested in seeing more videos and more progression of my amateur stunt career. Okay, we got a lot of new ideas and a lot of new things, and a lot of new ideas coming into play. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you're riding, please be safe. Have a good day. Have a blessed day. Good night.
She don't wanna strip no more, don't wanna hit that pole.